Pack leaders, this is here with friends and Ari, protecting families by protecting the pack, and today we're going to be going over Icon BTC pair. Let's go ahead and switch over and show you what's going on here. So I started in the process of tuning over 300 coins that are in Binance. So this is just the process of it. This is kind of the new format when I'm doing it. But let's go ahead and show you Icon for now. That way I can kind of see what's doing good and what I can put my money on. And if it goes bad, I can retune it and kind of keep pushing the process. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at Icon. See what that's all about. And 13%, 1%. Alright, let's go with that one. So this is a forward simulated one. And let's kind of look at the profile real quick, make sure it's really good to go. It's just starting to pick up profit. Now I wouldn't say this is the best right now. It's kind of making tons of trades throughout the day. The fees really racking up. But I think this could probably use a little bit of improvement with the retuning. Now this one has probably a stop loss, I believe. Yeah, it does have stop loss of 1. And that's just the nature of it all. As it tries to buy in, it'll get stopped out quite frequently. It seems like 1% moves quite a bit. So a little more smoother, we'd probably adjust to 0 and then go from there. And then just kind of let it buy and sell out on its own. It could take bigger losses. It might make sense to maybe push this to 2 to 3% so kind of smooth things out a little bit. But that's just the nature of it all. We're still kind of experimenting to see where we want to be with this. Eventually it does allow us to take smaller losses, but eventually gain once it starts to pick up on the other end. So in the meantime, if the market isn't good, it's just gonna kind of like hover around with a slight loss. But you know what, 10 bucks, whatever, it's okay. You know, it's not a big deal. But once it starts to take profit, it'll probably take bigger profits and stop out a lot less, and it'll probably smooth out as it becomes bullish. Is it bullish? Yeah, bullish. Alright, so here's the settings. Oops. Take a snapshot. There it is. 1, 32, 2, 1, Trima, 0, 4, 36, 35, 12, 24, 29. Alright, that's it for now. I'm going to keep it short so that I can get back to programming the rest of this stuff. I'm going to project maybe end of this month. I should be done with it, and then another couple weeks of testing. And then I should be able to release it to my private group. I still need to set up a license server. I think I'm going to set this license server up pretty soon too, and then get that going. We'll be working with databases so that it can kind of store a lot of these settings and kind of not have to start from scratch. But with a lot of coins, be able to kind of compare with the market cap. Certain market caps, I think with Binance is what it's working with right now, because Binance also has a better filter on coins, so that we don't just invest in coins with $1,000 and the market cap's only like $100, and you totally like, pump it with that. So we want to have decent market cap coins, which Binance does filter out, and then be able to go in and confidently and not be able to be a market mover ourselves. Alright, thanks. Have a good one. Bye.